Y'all ready? Let's go, let's go. Hey my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like good food, it's the place to be. Come and have a little fun with your girl KC. What's up my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are having some green lip mussels, some spicy green lip mussels, some white rice, some cucumbers. I have water to drink, and salt and vinegar, and I have some sauce back here. So if you're new to the channel, if you could please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. So hey y'all, and I forgot my wooden spoon. Don't worry about it, I got a spoon though. Hello, hey y'all, hey. Now I can talk trash, but we're gonna eat first, and then I'm gonna talk my trash. You already know why. So yeah, it's got some green lip mussels. I got some rice, onions back here, and it's spicy. Oh, that's good. I'm not gonna put that much salt and vinegar. I'll put one serving, cause y'all be ready to fight. I know. We just concerned about you. I appreciate it. Hold on, let me. I don't know why it's stuck. Let me get a half a tablespoon. That's it. That's a serving. And that's all I'm gonna use throughout the whole video. Okay, let me eat. Stop talking. Put this here so y'all can see the sauce a little bit. Y'all see all that? Oops, I done messed up my little display. It's all good. Let me get these onions. Lift this up. Oh, that's hot. I had to bring the spice back. Y'all was playing with me. I ain't gonna say that. Y'all know I'm gonna talk trash, right? I couldn't talk it yesterday because I couldn't think. I was in shock. Pure shock. The fact that I finished, and the fact that my mouth was on fire. Oh, them onions good. When that onion soak in that sauce, I almost choked. Don't be slurping all that up like that. I sure did. So anyways, I went on and knocked out the challenge yesterday if you haven't seen it. I wasn't even gonna ask y'all who y'all thought was, I mean, did y'all think I was gonna win? I didn't think I was gonna win. Seriously. Just use a little bit. I really, really didn't. So I couldn't talk noise the way I wanted to. But that was fun. That was a nice way to end the month. I'm so late. I told Kid I wanted to play Battle of the Sexes today, but I told him 3 o'clock. Child, it's way past 3 o'clock. I guess he said, I don't have time for you. Oh, it's so good. So yeah, if he's still available, we'll play. But I'm about 4 hours late. Don't worry about it. We're supposed to just do the last game for the tiebreaker. Get this last giveaway away. This last lunch money. So if he still wants to play, we'll play. We'll see. Stop playing with me. So many of y'all doubted me. I don't blame you, child. After coming off that Taco Bell challenge, I ain't mad at you. I don't blame you. I would have doubted me too. Ooh, can y'all see them onions? Let me move some of this parsley so y'all can see the onions. My phone ringing. Put a little. I got all onions and garlic. Just a quick little meal, y'all. And this is a whole cucumber. The reason I didn't leave the skin on is because it wasn't the English cucumber that be in the plastic. And even though you wash it and stuff, I ain't want to eat the skin. One down for the month. I mean, for the channel. Shout out to all the first of the monthers. You know, the people that make plans for the month and don't come through on the first day. It's okay. We still got what, 30 days left. It's gonna take time. Because I am truly a first of the month. Okay, first of the month, this is what I'm gonna do. Now somebody gonna be like, Casey, why are you doing that? Cause they say I be putting too much. I don't think it'd be too much. Cause this is a serving. But maybe I do, cause I still got a whole half a tablespoon. That's a half a tablespoon. Y'all know first of the month coming soon. You know what that means. Well, maybe you don't. Gotta go get them lab values checked. Y'all want some onion sauce and rice? No, that's good. No, anyway, I said thank you, right? Thank you to everybody that doubted me and I showed up. It's a hurricane on its way here. I think it's already in South Florida. When I talked to Alicia, I heard the wind. Let me call him and see if he still want to play. Okay, he gonna play, y'all. Let me help you eat this. They say you should eat a cucumber a day. That's what they say, girl. Alright, y'all, so this is part 2 where we finish. This is the finale of Battle of the Sexes. So it's a tiebreaker. I won 1. The fellas won 1. So hopefully, ladies, we can win again. So my husband's in the background. Say hey, babe.
Hello, everybody.
Alright, so y'all know how this works. If you don't know how it works, I'm gonna create a playlist so you can see the first game, the second game. But I ask a question, he has to answer. These are female questions, he has male questions. First one to get to the winner's circle is the winner, okay? You ready?
Yeah. I'm
first. Oh wait, do you ask me first? We do this every time. Do you ask me?
Oh, you start with the purple, right? Okay.
Okay, yeah, you ask me first, okay.
Okay, so this one is read this question aloud to the other team.
Okay.
Then secretly pick how you would answer using the ABC decision cards. Place your decision card face down on the game board. So where is it? Decision cards. Okay. Wait a minute. We did this one last time.
Oh, did you? Make sure you either stick those in the back or take them out.
Okay. I put it in the back.
Okay. Make sure I mix mine up.
Let's see. Alright, so here we go.
Okay.
What do you call the device on a bicycle that changes gears by physically shifting the chain?
The gear shift.
No, it's not the answer we're looking for here.
What are you looking for?
The right answer.
Which is what?
Are you saying you don't know? What do you call the device on a bicycle that changes gears by physically shifting the chain?
The little thing on your 10-speed, the thing at the top, right?
No.
What is it?
The derailleur.
Oh, come on, bro. You ain't know that either, though, to be honest. Be honest.
This is not a game of...
Man, come on, man.
You guys had some funky questions last time.
No, y'all did.
Oh, come on.
Come on, babe. Come on now.
Wow.
Babe, come on. Ah, shoot. All right. What comedian is known for criticizing award show red carpet fashions? That's easy.
When have you seen me watch red carpet fashions? I have no idea.
You want to take a guess? Y'all know this one.
Criticizes red carpet show fashion. Is it man or woman?
I'm not telling you. You wasn't gonna tell me nothing. I'm not telling you nothing.
Tyra Banks.
No, Joan Rivers. So neither one of us move.
All right.
Boom, 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 boom. What you doing with the?
That was the same one I just asked. Unless you wanted to borrow some question again. Okay. All right. So got it now.
Ready, ladies?
All right. In the movie Smokey and the Bandit, who played Bandit? Now that's a slam dunk.
Smokey and the Bandit.
Come on, seriously. In the movie Smokey and the Bandit, who played Bandit?
Burt Reynolds.
Good answer.
That's it?
Yeah.
I was guessing. I was really guessing. Yellow. I was guessing, y'all. Burt Reynolds.
Since you know so much about wars, who surrendered to George Washington at Yorktown? Howe, Cornwallis, Gage, or Burgoyne?
Oh, that's easy. Burgoyne.
Wrong. Cornwallis.
You make me sick. Whatever. Purple. All right. Oh, these are decision cards.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no. We did this one.
Okay.
What type of man I'm more attracted to, remember?
Okay.
Alright, let's see. Oh, Lord. Okay. Alright, so this is our lives, the decision cards.
Okay.
What am I most likely to feel while watching a romantic movie? Is it A, warm and fuzzy? Is it B, angry and bitter? Is it C, bored?
A. Move my thing and give me my next question.
Oh, you was very arrogant. Ooh, okay. Hold on, okay. All right. Let's see, you're orange. Oh man, this brightly dyed cloth, 2, traditionally hand woven in Thailand, is just one example of what kind of fabric? 2.
Is that silk?
Whatever.
Moving right along.
Man, whatever. Oh man, no. Okay. What Gary Marshall film is considered Anne Hathaway's breakthrough role? What Gary Marshall film is considered Anne Hathaway's breakthrough role? Babe, you don't know. Just come on.
Yeah, I have no clue.
The Princess Diaries. Now give me one. Yellow.
This is the ABC.
Oh. I think I pretty much, I know him, so.
The most I've ever spent on a ticket for a sporting event was A, $50 or less, B, $50 to $100 $150, or C, $151 or more?
You don't even go to sporting events.
I have been to sporting events.
You ain't bought no ticket.
Yes, I have.
Okay, I'm gonna go with. Okay, you big money, so I'm gonna go with You mean total, right?
The amount of money I've spent on a ticket.
Right, but you always buy more than one. You didn't go by yourself.
On a ticket for a
okay,
sporting event.
what was B?
A is $50 or less, B is $50 to $150, and C is $151 or more.
I'm gonna go with B. That's correct, ain't it?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Here we go. Whoever move in the winning circle win.
What are you on?
I'm on green. Let's get it. I'm on green, ladies.
Oh, we can't do this one. This is one you got to act out.
Oh, okay.
So. There's a number you got to act out.
You probably got to dig in the middle or something.
Okay, here we go. Which of these doesn't fit? I Spy, The Rock, Con Air, or Gone in 60 Seconds?
I Spy. You know, I don't even watch movies. I Spy, Con Air,
The Rock, and Gone in 60 Seconds. Which one doesn't fit?
Gone in 60 Seconds.
No.
The Rock.
I Spy. I Spy stars Owen Wilson as the lead. The rest of them star Nicolas Cage as the lead.
Oh, I don't know. I've never watched any of those. Okay. Dang. Which of these doesn't fit? Anjou, Bosque, Gala, or Bartlett?
Oh, Bartlett.
It's Gala. Gala is an apple. The rest are pears. I didn't know that one either. I didn't even know how to pronounce.
Alright.
Alright, let's go on take this win, ladies. Let's go. That's it. Last question.
Which of these doesn't fit? Cayman, Cayenne, Panamera, or Rapid?
Cayenne.
No, I knew this one. The first three are all Porsches, and the last one is an Aston Martin.
That's dumb. What is Kate Middleton's royal title?
Oh, crap. Duchess of Wales.
Wrong.
Damn.
Duchess of Cambridge.
That's right. Because the father is Duchess of, is Duke.
Oh, that was close. Come on, ladies. Come on. This is our last one. Give me green. Give me green. Give me green. It's like we're battling, not for real.
Which of these doesn't fit? Budweiser, Natural Light, Michelob Light, or MGD?
Budweiser. I don't drink beer.
Natural Light, Michelob, or MGD?
Budweiser, Michelob. MGD. What is that, Mad Dog? I'm gonna say MGD. I don't know what that is.
You're right.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah, the first three are all beers by... You're right. Yeah, the first three are all beers by Anheuser-Busch. The other one is from Miller Brewing.
Alright, ladies, that's $25. So one of y'all, I had to go ahead and all whoop him. I had to go. I'm so glad I won. You just don't understand. Woo! What do you have to say? What do you have to say?
Congratulations.
Thank you. I truly appreciate it. Baby, that's 2 in a row. We on the roll. Yesterday I won the challenge. Today I won the game. Y'all, we on the roll, baby. Come on, August. Come on, August. All right, thank you guys so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all. That was a good guess. All I can think of is Mad Dog.
No, one man.
Welcome to the after party.
They were all beers.
Oh, okay, okay. So y'all already know what it is. $25 goes to the ladies. So I would choose one of the ladies in the comments. It's in the comments, y'all. So you don't have to inbox me or email me until I pick a winner. And then you make sure you leave a comment down below. So oh, I gotta pick the word of the month. I gotta pick the word of the month. Oh, I tell you what, this is what we'll do, ladies. Whoever leaves the word of the month, I'll choose from those. That'll be easier so I can do random picker. So leave the word of the month in the comment section. And that's who I'll pick from. The one from last month, y'all know. The word of the month for July. We gotta pick a new one today. Should I do it today or should I just wait till tomorrow? Cause it's over there in that I'm gonna have to lift that case up. So I'll pick it tomorrow, y'all. I won't forget. What you getting? What's that, pork? Hey, you know what I wanted to ask you and see if you knew this. What is the cheese board called? You know, the one that you like to put the cheese, the jelly, the fig, you know, the little stuff on it. What is it called? It starts with a C. Because I was like, I wonder if he know, he swear he know he bougie and stuff.
I have no idea. You got no.
I forgot. She said the name, but I wanted to know if you knew.
No. What is it?
I can't remember. But she did say it. I just wondered if you just knew right offhand. Because you like those cheese boards.
Yeah, Cooper always had one for sale. Too.
Oh, did they today?
No, I think it went with a thing they were doing. They were doing another one of those tasting.
What you gonna do? Open a wine?
Yeah.
Ooh. What else we having? Wine and what? Each other? No, I'm just playing. What you opening?
Zonda.
Oh God, we drinking Zonda. Okay. All right, ladies. So yes, we won. We won. That was the last game. So we did 3 games. We won 2. The fellas won 1. And really, I gave y'all that one you did win. So August, we on the roll. But that was fun. I like Battle of the Sexes. I will leave the Amazon link in the description below, just in case somebody else wants to buy it, purchase it, or whatever. But that's why I think we got it from Amazon. So that was fun. I don't know what else we could do this month. Battle of the Sexes was fun. We don't really have a movie or a series we watching. So I'll have to figure out something for August. So we can have our once a week thing with Kit. We'll figure something out. Some little battle. I like battling against the fellas. Alright. So y'all enjoy your evening. I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you so much for everybody who watched the Battle of the Sexes videos and commented and participated and all that kind of stuff. I really, really do appreciate it. So we will see y'all tomorrow. I love you. Bye, y'all.